right, Toosters. And 2 bets. But y'all see that Sam tray? That's what they call it, that Sam tray. That light blue. Put a new top on it. Put that glass in there. He wanted a vinyl top. Back OG. So we did a little light work on it. Built my little console. Wrapped the dash. This thing got dark out here on me. Y'all know we had to stitch that dash up. Built him a nice little console. He said he needs something for that yak. Needs something for that yak. Wrap the little rear pieces. He gonna come back and get the seats done. Door panels. Make it all match. Boy, I like that thing on them spokes. I like that thing on them spokes. He said them ain't Daytons. These are Daytones. It's the difference between Daytons and Daytones. That's French. She came out smoking. Love that top. Nice fresh white. Boy, that thing get dirty looking at it. Say ain't nothing like that fresh white stockings. He got all this new weather stripping he gonna put back on it, his door glass. So we got a little work left to do on this thing here. We just made sure the top was in, top was on. Put his rear trim in. Put his rear trim on. He gonna jazz it up from there. My guy Red called Ron. Make sure y'all follow him on IG. Make sure y'all show him some love on IG, man. Follow this bill, man. He called this one Paw Paw. Make sure y'all show Spike some love. With his Sam tray. See what he got in store for it next. If you know him, man, y'all know Ron like to do them burnouts. So he may put a big motor in this sucker. I don't know. I don't know what he got planned for it yet. He ain't told me all the way. He just said he just need to do that. Gonna have to do them seats in this sucker here shortly. So he just want to keep it all OG, all the way player. He say he taking it back to the Outcast days. So make sure y'all show him some love, man. Subscribe. Hit the like button. And that's about that on that, man. Them Daytones. Make sure I told y'all that's them Daytones. Them ain't Daytons. He ain't get the mustard. He just got the mayo. That's about that on that, man. Like I say, right now it's all OG. We just stitched that dash up. Built them a nice little center console. Fresh top and rear panels. That's what our job was for the week. So we got him knocked out. Hey, he finna come grab it. You know what I say, man. It always look better going than coming. What is it, Joe? Oh, the pieces. What happened?
Maybe need to get over with the flow. Remember the water, the little water.
Oh my goodness. My guy's clumsy this evening. He tired, he ready to go home. Hell, me too. Glad this car didn't fight back too much. Glad it didn't fight back too much. Crunk up on the dime, top work. Battery stayed charged. Boy, I couldn't ask for more. Ain't no rust bucket. Hey man, that's about that on that, man. I'll be back in a minute.